Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be creating this bright pink summer makeup look. So if you guys are interested, then please keep watching this video, and if you're new here, then please consider subscribing. Now let's get started with the video. First I will be applying a moisturizer. I have applied this Nivea soft moisturizer. Since my face is now well moisturized, let's start with the makeup. First I'm going to start with my eyes, and for prepping my eyes I will be using the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade light medium beige. First I'm going to apply it on my eyelids and then blend it with a damp beauty blender. I usually use concealer to prep my eyelids. You can go ahead and also apply your eye primer. And then to set the concealer in, I will be using a Maybelline loose powder. You can use any loose powder. The purpose is just to set the concealer. And for eyeshadows I will be using today a James Charles palette, and first I'm going to start with this bright yellow color, and I'm going to apply this with the help of Pro Arte PF13 brush, and I'm going to apply it on my crease and slightly above my crease as a transition shade, but I want this shade to be bright and visible. Next I will be using this bright neon pink shade, and I'm going to use a smaller blending brush this time to blend that concealer into my deep crease. And as you can see, I'm just blending that pink shade into the yellow to form a nice transition shade, and then I'm going to take that pink shade and apply all over my lid. And as you can see how beautifully the transition has been made by this color. I really like this look, and this is a very bright summery look, and I'm just packing the color until I'm happy with the color payoff. So before moving on to the mascara, I will be using the Vega eyelash curler to curl my lashes. And for mascara today, I will be using this Essence Volume Stylish Mascara. First, I'm going to coat my upper lashes only, and I will be doing my lower lash line later after I do my base. So I'm first applying only on my upper lashes. Before doing my base, I'm just making sure there are no fallout whatsoever, and I'm going to wipe out that with the help of wet tissue. And for primer, now I'm using the Color Bar Perfect primer, and I'm going to use that primer wherever I see that I have textures or pores or smile lines or wrinkles, and I'm going to just apply the primer on that area. Next, for concealer, I will be using the MAC Studio Concealer, and I am in the shade NC42, and I'm going to apply this concealer under my eyes and around my mouth where I have a little pigmentation, and also on my cheek area where there are pimple spots or marks, and basically I'm going to hide any imperfections of my face using a concealer. I'm going to blend that concealer using the damp beauty sponge I have used previously, and the sponge is from Real Techniques. It's a very good sponge. It blends the foundation, the concealer very seamlessly, and as you can see, I have already blend my rest of the face, and at last I'm going to blend the concealer under my eyes. And for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I love this foundation. This is really good for summers. It has matte finish, it's long lasting, it's not drying, but it's very long lasting. It gives nice full coverage, and I love this foundation, and this is a perfect match for my skin tone. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I like this foundation to be blended by a beauty blender rather than a brush, because it gives you natural finish by using a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to apply a concealer to brighten up under my eye area. So I'm using the same concealer. This is from Wet n Wild and in the shade light medium beige, and I'm going to blend that concealer using the same Real Technique beauty sponge. As soon as my under eye concealer is blended, I'm going to fix that with a setting powder, and I'm using the Maybelline loose powder in the shade light medium. I'm first setting it under my eyes, and then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the same powder. Now to bring back some warmth and dimension to my face, I will be using the Daily Life Forever 52 contour palette, and I'm going to use the Pro Arte Focus blush brush for this. And I really like this brush. It's very soft and it gets blended very well. I'm going to contour under my cheekbones and also on my jawline and also my nose. So I will be using a smaller brush to contour for my nose. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and I'm in the shade Nude Peach. This is a very everyday kind of a blush. I really like this. It gives very natural finish to your cheeks. Next, I'm using the same Forever 52 palette for the highlighting purpose. I'm taking that highlighter shade and I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face, such as on my cheekbones, my nose, my upper lip area, my chin, and I'm also going to highlight under my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. Now coming back to the eye makeup, first I'm going to finish with my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia brow pomade in the shade dark brown to do my eyebrows. And I'm going to first shape my eyebrows and then fill them in. Guys, let me know if you want any video on how I do my eyebrows, because in these videos I can't tell you specifically how I do my eyebrows, so please let me know in the comment section below. Then moving on to the lower lash line, I'm using the yellow color that we used on our crease area. I'm going to first apply that color on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to take that brighter neon pink shade and I'm going to apply that on the yellow color. So you know, there is a nice mixture of both the colors that we applied on our upper lid. And then I'm going to finish off with some mascara on the lower lash line, and I'm also going to add some falsies on my upper lashes. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Sensational lipstick. I will be mentioning the shade in the description box below, or you can see it on the screen because I don't remember what the shade is, but it's a very beautiful nude shade. Here I'm putting on some earrings and accessorizing myself, and to finish off the makeup look, I will be setting that with a MAC makeup fixer. And here's the final look, you guys. I hope you like this video. I love creating this video. It's very simple. I just used two eyeshadows to create this look. It's very bright and perfect for summer. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video, share with your friends and family, and I shall see you in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.